What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video here on my channel. Today I have the Elgato Wave 3 microphone, and let's get straight into it right after the intro. Okay, so we have the new Elgato Wave 3. It's out now for a couple of weeks already, but it was sold out everywhere. I was a bit late on getting it, but I would say I will check it out today from a non-audiophile perspective. So I'm a streamer and I'm a content creator, but I'm not really the most audiophile person. So for me, it's important that the microphone sounds nice. And we will check this out. We will unbox it and then we will check it out. I will hook it up to my PC and we will check out how it sounds and what we can do. Obviously there's the new Elgato Wave 3 software, but I would say we unbox this real quick and have a look what's inside the box. So let's see. Okay, we open the box. Nice packaging. Like you know it from Elgato. Whoa. Okay, another box in the box. Okay, and there we have it. Let's turn it around. So we have a little quick start guide from Elgato, and let's see what we have inside here. Okay, we have the cable. So a manual. I put it aside and we check out what else is in the box, and then we have a closer look. Okay, and here is the microphone itself. And yeah, nothing more in the box. So we will check out the microphone. I unwrap this. It has a nice Elgato sticker on it here. Sealed. Okay, so here we have it, the Elgato Wave 3. There's also the Wave 1, which is basically the same. It's just not the same kilohertz rate, but more than that, it should be the same microphone inside. Let's see what we have here. Okay, this is the knob for the boom arm. The screw basically for the boom arm, and here we have the cable. It's a USB-C to a regular USB cable, so also nice that they make this for USB-C now. So let's have a look around the mic. Obviously here we have the knob, which you can turn fully in a circle. You can also press it. On top we have the mute button, which is not a real button, so it's just a capacitive button. On the back we can plug in our headphones for monitoring purposes. The USB-C is also on the back, and yeah, basically that's it. Here's an Elgato logo. This is made out of metal, this is made out of plastic, and the socket obviously is made out of metal as well. So we can turn this, you can see, can turn this in a more than 90 degrees, so almost 180 degrees. Feels pretty solid, so this stands really good. And yeah, you can screw the part off completely, and then you can screw this on and mount it on a boom arm. So I guess that's the idea behind it. There's also a pop filter. I haven't got the pop filter yet, and there's also some more accessories, but for now I only have the microphone. So I would say that's it for the unboxing. I will plug it into my computer and be right back with you with the sound quality and show you a bit around how I, as a non-professional audio YouTuber, see this microphone. Alright, so I'm on my desktop right now, and as you can see, I installed the Elgato Wavelink software. I'm speaking in a normal voice I would speak all the time, and the microphone is on the stand right here in front of me, so on the delivered stand, and I would say I'm about 30 centimeters away, or 1 feet if you count in feet. And yeah, it's really easy, plug and play. I plugged it into my computer, installed the software, everything was working. So you can see the microphone is here. You can set different inputs and then put it out in a stream mix to your streaming software if you want to do that. So you can do your Elgato HD60S like it is in my case, or if you have Spotify, you can make it here, and you can control what you want to hear and what the audience should hear. But that's maybe something for a different video. This should only be a first impression. So on the front you have this little dial, this knob where you can adjust the volume. You can click through microphone, headphones, and the mix basically, and what it represents is the input volume of your microphone into your computer. So whenever you move that dial, you will adjust the volume. I have it on 3 dots right now, so that's what I figured for myself is perfect for me, but you obviously have to play around with it. So if I turn it full on 7, it's on 100. It's a bit weird because if I go down a bit, it's on 6 LEDs right now, and it's still 94%, so it's a little bit weird. So I'm on 4 dots right now and it's still on 86, so it's, I don't know, you have to play around with it a bit. So for me, I figured out 69 is the one where it jumps for me on 3 dots, obviously, so that's fine for me. Also, if you use a streaming software, like in my case, I use Streamlabs OBS. I bring this up right now, it looks a bit weird. And if I stop speaking, you could see here that the microphone has no background noise. Maybe you can still hear my fan, the fan of my computer a bit, but it shouldn't be the case. So when I'm quiet, you don't see anything, and that's what I achieved with a filter here in the software. So I added a noise suppression filter and I put it to -6, but that's also something maybe for another video. So let's go to Audacity to finalize this first impression video. I have the Elgato here, and here I did no changes at all, so we're still on these 69% volume. So if I click the record button, you see it's recording, and if I stop talking, it's not picking up anything at all. So, and you see on the 3 dots with the 69, it's only going to -18, -14 maybe top, or -13 top. So I maybe could also adjust it a bit more up. So if I turn it to 4 dots now, it's going up. You should avoid to go over 0. So now I would say it's already pretty loud. So maybe that's also a good setting. As I said, I need to play around with it as well. It should only just be a first impression video, and you see it's on 90 now. So I'm on 5 dots out of 7, and it's on 90%. So that's a bit weird in my opinion, but it looks okay. If I stop talking now, yeah, the signal looks pretty good as well when I stop talking. So maybe that's also good. Like I said, I need to play a bit more with it to figure out the perfect settings for myself. And obviously it's different for everyone. Maybe you have a louder fan in your PC or something like that. Maybe you sit closer. So if you go closer, that's also maybe different if you have it on a boom arm, and it also has this clipping guard inside. So if I clap now, and you can see the peaks, the spikes in the audio, but that gets cut off by the internal chip in the microphone. So that's also pretty cool what they have done here. So my first impression is really good with the microphone. So I would say it's definitely something you should think about, because for the price you get a cool and round package, especially that Wavelink software is really helpful for live streamers. And yeah, I would say that's basically it for the video. I will do more videos with the Elgato Wave 3 in the next couple of days, next couple of weeks, let's see. So I will do a comparison with the Amazon mic. There's also a review for the Amazon basic mic here on my channel. I will do a comparison so we can figure out if the sound quality is significantly better than in the Amazon basic mic. But I would say that's it for the video. Thanks everyone for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you liked what you've seen, and if you want to get informed about more videos here on my channel. Thanks everyone for your support, and see you next time.